Hey, careful, sir. Careful. I feel like Simon Mwewa. Hello. Sir, how much have you made so far today? I'm Zuhawina. What's your name, sir?
Mongu Alex.
From Lusaka. How was your stay in Mongu?
It's just fine.
Fine? Okay. So do you know how to speak Mongu, sir?
A bit.
Okay, do you know what it means when somebody says Zuhawina?
Yes. Wake up.
Wow. Thank you so much, sir.
Just check advance.
Thank you so much. So, okay, this is so how's your work so far? Good. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
You're from?
Livingston.
How was your stay in Mongu?
Yeah, the stay in Mongu is nice now.
How many words have you learned?
A lot.
I like Kuzwile Chwani. Mutozi. Kikakai komwina. I'm glad, you know what? Nitaweza hakuna matapa hapa punjili. God bless the trips.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Mwewa Jr. And Mr. Simon Mwewa today. Sir, you can say bye to the camera.
We are senior security officers. You are under our care. We are there to make you safe. Nchango bafero.